Bakit kaya mahirap tanggapin ang mga harsh realities ng buhay? Kagaya ng death, failures, broken dreams, or even past traumatic experiences. Like may mga bagay talagang nangyayari sa ating buhay na beyond our control. And the only way to solve it is to accept it. However, ang lagi kong natatanggap na tanong is, Coach Matt, paano ba ang mag-accept? And I realize that acceptance is an action on its own. If you need to accept something, you need to accept it. Siguro ang mas mahalagang tanong is, ano yung mga obstacles bakit mahirap para sa atin ang mag-accept? Probable reason dyan yung mga emotions na associated dun sa mga bagay na nangyari. Siguro hanggang ngayon sinisisi pa rin natin yung sarili natin. Di kaya naman galit pa rin tayo sa mundo. It's important that these emotions should be processed. Talk to a trusted friend, a family member, a counselor, or even a psychologist, so that once these emotions are processed, it would be less difficult for us to accept.